Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for a week in the life, so stay tuned. Morning, Fluffy. Good morning.
I just wasn't sure yet. I'm in.
Lucy. He's a little excited. Just going for our daily morning walk in the cold. I think it's like -5 right now. Not bad. This is my advent calendar. No ink vent for me, just chocolate. And I already opened the 9th. Yay! During my lunch hour, working on transferring the collections to Silhouette while watching Downton Abbey. Hey Lucy, this is where she normally sits while I'm working. And I also watch the pandas on a different computer. Oh, look at it move. All right, finished work at 5:30. I just finished filming my Hobonichi weeks. I have a virtual appointment happening in less than 10 minutes, and then I need to finish making dinner, finish printing and cutting these collections, and then maybe I'll get a chance to journal tonight. I do need to catch up on a couple of days of journaling, so hopefully I will get a chance to do that after dinner. See you guys later.
We have the loop, but remember, just going for range right now. So if you lift up, chest press, staying in line. Keep your elbows pinned in, nice and close. I'd show you what's happening. That's why I want.
Morning. I am parked on the side of the road just across the street from Henry's school. We had a doctor's appointment this morning, and now I am parked on the side of the road because I am waiting anxiously to sign him up for swimming. The registration opened at 8:30 and there were already like 800 people ahead of me. So I will do that now. That was stressful, but now it's done. I've registered Henry for swimming. I don't know why it's so stressful to sign him up for swimming, but anyway, all right. Now I can start driving home in the snow. I'll just show you the snow. Yeah, that's my windshield. It looks wet, but there's thick snow coming down. All right, see you guys at home. So here's my work desk. I have one more meeting and then one more thing to do before I'm done at 6 today. But look who is sitting in my lap. Hey puppy. Hey puppy. Been a very busy day today and I'm exhausted. I'm just working on the cut lines for the dates for 2025. It is currently 8 o'clock in the evening. I hope to get these cut and printed today so that I can film the YouTube video for the new release tomorrow. Once this is done, then I have to cut out those little paper strips for my 15 inks, 15 days, and then I hope to journal. But then I still have to order groceries tonight, so it's gonna be a late night for me.
Leg back into a runner's lunge with a twist. Step back, sink down, stop before your knee touches the ground. We're looking right down, a few feet in front of us, straight down. Perfect form. Every movement's about perfect form, but especially this one.
Lucy, are you hungry this morning? Hey puppy, you going back to bed? Hello. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Oh. So I'm all dressed for the day, but I'm just about to take Lucy for a walk. So I have to get all bundled up for that. 1 second. Okay, I think I'm ready. puppy. Are we going? It's a little dark still. Hi, Fluffy. I haven't vlogged much today. I've just finished work. Now I'm going to do other stuff. I have to, well, during my lunch hour, I was able to film the YouTube video for my new release and take product photos. Now I have to finish filming inks 1 through 5 for my 15 inks in 30 days, then dinner, and then I have to do some journaling and do the product listings. So busy. When am I never busy? No sooner did I sit down to start filming that this one wanted to sit in my lap. Say hi, Lacey. Are you gonna let me get anything done? Yes? No? Yeah, we'll see. All right, it's after dinner. I have finished editing and uploading the video for the new releases, and I did a bit of journaling as well as set up my inks for days 6 through 10. Henry's Santa letter. Now time to relax and watch a movie.
Oh my goodness. Even though you don't experience ink this way when you write with it, it's not.
Lucy. It's still dark outside. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, still dark outside. Feels about like -10, -11 right now. At about 8 o'clock in the morning. All right, just finished work. I'm so tired today. I was supposed to go to Weight Watchers tonight, but I am just exhausted. I have already been able to do all of the product listings and the email that are going out for tomorrow's new release. I just need to add the digital files to the digital listings, and then I'm all set for tomorrow. So now I'm just going to play with some inks and pens and journal before we have dinner at about 5:30. No, that's wrong, 6:30. It's now after dinner. I'm working on editing a video while watching Downton Abbey, but look who's watching so intently. She loves watching TV.
Bring our elbows down and back and really think about trying to squeeze. They should not be in your eye line. They should actually be lower. And then you're. Remember, as we come up to the top, they stop right in line with your. Remember the dumbbells we're lifting up towards.
I'm just in the bathroom getting ready, and look who's waiting so patiently. Are we going on walkies? We are going on walkies. Yes, we are. Oh, yes. Oh, big stretch, big stretch. Hi, puppy. My eggnog latte in this new mug. This mug is massive. It's like 20 ounces, the size of my head. But this is from artwork that Henry did in school. All right, workday done. And I just ended up filming my pens that I sold in 2024, but I did it slightly differently. I did it as like a Loom video or a screen recording that I'm then going to upload on YouTube. And I don't know how I feel about it. Like, there's going to be very little editing that I'll need to do. I loved being able to show the pens in the video. So I don't know. I mean, the video will probably have gone up before this video goes up, but I just wanted to show my angst in putting that up, because it's not in my usual style of video either. So I don't know if it's something that I should put up, but I already filmed it. It took like 45 minutes to film a 28-minute video. So I don't know. I don't want to film it again. And this one's just waiting so patiently. Hello, puppy. Hello. She's like, please don't look at me. But it's been a busy day at work. I also had my new releases today. I am going to, I say relax tonight, have some pizza with the family, watch a movie, and fold laundry. So you may not see me again until tomorrow. Oh, puppy. Big stretch. Big stretch. Lucy's back from the groomers. She's back from the groomers. You gotta sit. Good girl. Look at your bow tie. There you go. Good girl. So far, a busy morning. I'm already back in my car again. I just picked up Lucy from the groomers. But the morning so far started with breakfast with a friend, then a quick round at Michael's and the market, picked up Lucy from the groomers, and now I'm seeing a different friend for brunch. All right, I am home now after a very busy morning out. Oh, hello, puppy. I had breakfast with a friend this morning after working out. Then I did some shopping and then picked up this one from the groomers. Then I saw another friend for brunch, did a little bit more shopping, and now I'm back home. I'm probably gonna take a nap before we go out to Candy Cane Lane today. And then I will work on journaling tonight. And then that is my day. No working. And when I mean working, like no working on shop stuff, no working on work stuff. It's just my day to see friends and hang out. And I know I haven't shown much of that. I still always feel a little bit awkward when I'm filming stuff when I'm out and about with friends, but this one, I am happy to film all day. Oh. Yeah, you've got Arnold Schwarzenegger and Mike Tyson and Prince Harry. Yeah. I think, oh, he is surfing. That's a wave. Wow. Hi, Fluffy. You joining me today? What happened to your ear?
Okay, we haven't even been here for an hour. We were just about to sit down for lunch, and we've already spotted.
Didn't really share my notebooks throughout this whole week, but just showing you what I have been using so far. So this week, that is the after the pen in my weeks. I'm not always perfect about filling things out, and I'm okay with that. I like being able to look back, and for this week I had two different pens. So green was the one that I put in there at the beginning of the week, and then red, I go in here and actually cross out the things that I didn't do and then write in new things. So it's actually a very realistic representation of what I ended up doing. And then my habit trackers, my workouts, and my sleep, I really like how that looks. And then what I do in the back is in the notes pages back here, I do a page per week and do just little highlights every day of either what happened or things that stood out. And I like being able to flip back here and see it so that when I'm journaling in my 5-year journal, I have a good idea as to just even like the synopsis of the day. Then my 5-year journal, I caught up in here in the last few days. So I was behind by almost a week, and then I used Sunday night to catch up on all of that. And then, oh, I have a stain on there. That's okay. Then my daily journal, just a quick flip through of doing my 15 inks over 30 days. So every 2 pages or every 2 days is an ink, and I'm really enjoying that. So that's just a quick flip through of my current planners, which I'm really enjoying the weeks right now. And I'm in, well, going into my 4th week, which I'm very excited about. Like, so far, for how long I've used it, I've really liked how functional this is for me. I can still add in some decor, but it is mostly functional. And I am realizing though that I need an extra fine nib in order to be able to use this, but we'll keep going with it. All right. So that's a quick week in the life for me. Just a little bit of a glimpse into what we do, or what I do on a week-to-week basis. Thanks so much for watching.